Resistome Reservoir. Antimicrobial resistance is on the increase. Liz Saffield explained why and what is being done to make the situation both worse and better. The idyllic scene above shows reindeer grazing on plants growing in Svalbard. The soil in this remote Arctic location has recently been shown to contain superbugs. Bacteria resistant to one or more antibiotic are everywhere, including in Arctic snow, Antarctic lakes, and even salad in our supermarket. Okay, Albert, next.
Okay, thank you, Bara. So we know they are there for from DNA analysis. Antibiotic resistance genes can be detected by DNA sequencing if the microorganisms that contain them are difficult to grow in culture, which is often the case. The collective term from these genes is the resistance, and the risk posed by ever more widespread antibiotic resistant microbes has been recognized as a global challenge. Authorities in the UK rank the risk alongside that posed to the public by terrorists and pandemic flu. Why is resistance on the increase? Okay, next for Vito.
Okay, thank you, Albert. As we have seen in the previous news, bugs began. The two main drivers behind the upsurge of superbugs are environmental use and inappropriate use in human health. While some parts of the world have taken action to curb the environmental use of antibiotics, others are doing quite the opposite. For example, the Environmental Protection Agency in the USA has recently agreed that up to 195,000 hectares of citrus trees in Florida can be treated with 176,000 kilograms of the antibiotic tetracycline per year. To combat citrus canker, okay, sorry. To combat citrus canker and citrus greening disease, it is estimated that over 9,000 citrus hectares are also treated each year in California. Okay, next is Hizkia.
Okay, thank you, Vito. In most of Europe, the supply of antibiotic without prescription is prohibited, but in many Europe countries and elsewhere in the world, they are nevertheless freely available for purchase. While some infections merit the use of antibiotic, many do not, and public understanding of how antibiotic work, how antimicrobial resistance arises, and the risk of the post leaves much to be desired. It has often been said the physician prescribed antibiotic inappropriately due to pressure from patients whose poor health is not the result of microbial infection. Numbers of antibiotic prescriptions being issued in England are being monitored, and it was found that simply sending a letter informing GPS that they were in top 25% of prescribes reduce their antibiotic prescription by an average of 3%. Okay, next, Bara.
Okay, thank you, Albert. Thank you, Alexander. And thank you, Hizkia, for this time news. Okay, people, we are sorry for this time's news reading because we don't really have much time left to do this because new school assignment keep on coming for us. Well, that being said, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.